Hello student, good morning all of you. As you know, unit test of maths is on 28th September, that is on Monday. So 3 chapters will be asked in unit test. Chapter number 2, 3 and chapter number 4. So today we will revise chapter number 2. I have given here one worksheet. So you have to prepare, right? So let's see the question number 1. Write the number's name, or this way can ask, write these numbers in word. Okay, so first is 432, that is 3-digit number, and this number we have to write in word. So how to write? Before writing, first we should place the value. Okay, so here will be 1, tens and 100. Now see here, 4 is standing on 100 place. So what we write? 400, and here remaining is 32. So what we write here? 432. Same way, here is written 605. So what we write, student? Again 6 is standing on 100 place. So what we say? 600, and 0 is on tens place. So we will not say 0. We will directly say 5. It means 605. Okay, so student, you will write in your notebook. Same way you will do here 120. Now let's see the question number 2. Write in standard form or numeral. This question just reverse of question number 1. Here is given in word. It means that number expressed in word, and we have to write in standard form. So first we read 732. So before writing the number, first we put here place, right? So here is written 700. So where is 100 place? So 7 we will write on 100 place. Then after 32. So 30, it means 30 and 2. 3 tens. 3 will stand on tens place and 2 on ones place. Same way, here question B, 208. It means 2 is standing on 100. So I have written here 2. Then tens not given, directly given 8. So 8 will come on ones place. So the answer is 208. Right? Let's see the question number 3. Write the place value for underlined digit. So here is given 362. So children, can you tell me 2 is standing on which place? Yes, it is on ones place. Okay, so we will write here answer only 2, or we can say 2 ones. Okay. You can write the answer in 2 ways. Either you can write 2 or you can write 2 ones. Okay. Let's see the second question. 189. We have to find the place value of 8. So easily you can say 8 is at tens place. So what we write here? 80. 80. Okay. Or you can write 8 tens. Now question C, 426. So what is the place value of 4? It is 400. That's why I have written here 400, or you can write 400s. Now here we have to find the place value of 0. Children, you have to remember the place value of 0 in any number or any digit always will be 0. And one more thing we have to remind, the place value which number is standing on ones place always will be same number. Okay, like place value of 2 is 1. Suppose here I will ask what is the place value of 9. So you have to write the same number. Then place value of 6, so only 6, right? Next question, write in expanded form. Okay, here is given number 152 and we have to expand this number. So answer will be come in two ways. First, let's see. 1 is at 100 place. So what we write? 1 hundreds. Then 5 tens and 2 ones. Okay. Same way here. 2 is at 100. So we will write 200, 6 tens and 8 ones. So this way also will be asked. So children, please don't be confused. Both are same. So here is 503. So how can we expand? 500. So I have written 500. Here is 0. So I have written 0. No need to write 2 0. And 3 ones. So I have written here ones. If you will not write 0 also your answer will be correct. Okay. Now question D, 1 is standing on 100 place. So I have written here 100, 100. Then 7 tens. So 7 tens is 70 and 4 ones. So here is 4, right? Now question number 5, write in standard form or in figure. It means this question is just reverse of question number 4. Here is already written in expanded form and we have to write in figure. Okay, so before writing figure we put place. So children, don't forget to put place. It will be easy for you when you will write answer. So first we write here place. 300. So children, where we will write 3? 3 we will write here on 100 place. Then 4 10. So 4 we will write here and 5 1. So where we write 5? Here. Similarly, this way will be asked. Then don't be confused children. Here is 600. So always before writing number you have to put place and then you have to see 600. So we will write this number on 100 place. So here I have written 6. Then 40, it means 4 tens. So here I have written 4. Then 1. Here is 1. So 641. Now here is 100. So 1 where we will write children? We will write here 1. But tens place not given. Here is given only ones place. So first we will write here 1 and 9 only standing on 1. So we will write 9. But what about tens? If it is not given, so we put here 0. That is 109. Look at the question number 6. Write the successor of the given number. It means we have to find the successor. Children, what is the meaning of successor? Successor means just after. Suppose I will ask what is the successor of 5. So after 5 which number will come? 6. So successor of 5 is 6. So here is given 49. So which number will come after 49? Just either you can add 1 or you can say the after number. So after 49 is 50. So we will write here successor of 49 is 50. Now it's your turn. Children, can you tell me what is the successor of 580? Only you have to see the last 2 digits. So what is the successor of 80? Which number will come after 80? Yes, you are right. 81. So we can write the answer 581. Similarly, successor of 199. Children, if you are not able to find successor of the number, so just you can add. It means when we add with 199 with 1, we get 200, right? Now, see here. Write the predecessor of the given number. This time we have to find just before number. It means here we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So here is 100. So can you tell me children which number will come before 100? Yes, you can subtract 1 from 100. So you will get 99. Question B 140. So we will not see the 100 place. We will see only last 2-digit number 40. So which number will come before 40? It is 39. So I have written here 139. And question C is very easy. Only we have to see the last number. So predecessor of 6 is 5. So instead of 6 I have written here 5, that is 215. Question 7 is very easy. It is very interesting too. Fill in the blanks by following patterns. Here children, you have to observe pattern. Means you have to see carefully which number is going to change. And then after, according to that pattern, you have to write the next number. So let's start. Here is 300. So then here it is not written 301, directly written 350. So here is 300 and here is 350, and then after 400 directly written. So can you tell me what is going to change? Here we have to skip 50. So if you will subtract 300 from 350, you will get 50. Or you can subtract 350 from 400, again you will get 50. It means we have to write next number by adding 50 with previous number. So here is 400. So which number will come children? Yes, 450. And then after 500. Next question, again you observe the pattern. Here is written 118. Here 120 and 122. So children, are you seeing here? 100 place is not going to change. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. Now here again 18. Then when we count after 18, so when we add here 2, we get next number. Okay, suppose here is 118. So open 2 finger and count after 18, 19 and 20. So we get 120. Again we add 2 with this number. What we get? 120 plus 2 is 122. And another way also we can say 118, 119 we will not write. We write 120. Again skip 121. Then 122 will write. Then next skip 123. And then we write 124. Again skip 125. And then after we get 126. It means here we jump 2 steps. Okay. Now next children, you try to do yourself. I am not writing answer here. You have to write answer yourself. But you just observe here one's place. Here is 9 and here is 7. This number is coming backward direction. Here 9, here 7, here 5. So you have to check which number will come. Okay, and then you write. Now next question. Question number 8. Filling the blanks by using greater than, less than or equal sign. So you have to comparing. This question is regarding comparing number. Here is 100 and here is 99. I told you children, when we have to compare the number, first we have to see its digit. Which is the more number of digit, that number will be greater number. And always open mouth of alligator shows greater number. Suppose here is 1, 2 and 3 digit and here is only 2 digit. So 100 is greater than 99. So which sign we will put here? This sign, greater sign, right? So children, you will write here, and then again I am telling, just to see the question B. Here is 179. I know most student will be write here equal, but you have to see very carefully. Here is 1, here is also 1. It means first we have to check digit, but both side digits are same. Here is 3 and here is 3 also. Then second step we will see the 100 place. So in 100 place also number is same. Here is 1, here is 1. Now what we do? We see the tens place. Look at here. In tens place it is 7 and here is 9. So children, which number is greater? 9. So we write here 197 is greater than 179. So again I am telling you, open mouth we keep in front of bigger number, right? Question C and D, children, try to do yourself. You have to check each place. Okay. Now let's see the question 9. Circle the smallest number and tick the greatest number. Okay. So here 4 numbers are given and we have to find out the smallest number. So can you tell me, children, which number is the smallest? We see here 99. It means 99 is the smallest number. Why? Because you can see here all remaining 3 digits are here, and here only 2 digits. So 99 is the smallest number. So we put circle here. Now which is the greatest number? First we put here circle. Okay. Now greatest. So everywhere is 3 digit number. So digits are same. Now our second step we will see the 100 place. Here is 9, here is 2 and here is 4. So which is greatest number? 9. So 942 is greatest number. So we put tick mark. So children, question B also you try to solve yourself. Okay, now let's see the question 10. Question 10 is like that the question 9. Here also we have to find the smallest number first. Arrange in ascending order. Means here we have to arrange the number according to smallest to biggest. So can you tell me which is the smallest number? First we count its digit. 1, 2, 3. Here is 3, here is 3, here is 3 and also here is 3 digit number. So all are same. Then we see the 100 place. So here is 2, 7, 6 and also 6. So 2 is obviously smaller than this number. So we write the 276 first. So now this already done. Now we compare this remaining 3 numbers. So again we'll look at here 7, 6 and 6. Obviously 7 is biggest number, so we will not write this. We have to compare this 620 and 600. But are you seeing children, 100 plus here is also on 100 plus 6 and here is 6. It means both side same number. So what we do? We see the second digit, that is tens place. So here is 2 and here is only 0. So can you tell me which number is smaller? 600. And then after we will write 620. Right? So I have written here 600 first. Then after 620 and last number is 762. So this number arranged in ascending order, that means smallest to biggest, right? Now look at here children, arrange in descending order. So in descending order what we have to do? We have to take first biggest number. It means we have to arrange this number from biggest to smallest, right? So children, you seeing here all are 3-digit number, right? Here is also 333. So what we do? We do again hundreds place. We will see again 100 place. So here is 4, 5, 1 and 5. So 1 and 4 will not come. We have to take the greatest number. So first we see here is 5 also and here is 5 also. Both side same number on 100 place. So we see the tens place. So here is 4 and here is 0. So can you tell me which is biggest? 4. So biggest number is 540. Then after we will write 504. Now this two number written. So here we have to compare 450 and 199. So easily we can say 450 is bigger than 199. Why? Because in 100 place here is 4 and here is only 1. So bigger number we have to write first. So we will write here 450 and last I will write here 199. So it is already arranged in descending order. So children, only you have to keep in your mind, in descending order we have to arrange according to biggest number to smallest, and in ascending order we will write smallest to biggest. Thank you.